Hello everyone, my name is Stanley Ugagbe and welcome to today's commentary on what is happening in Nigeria. But on today's edition, we want to look at what is rather happening in the international space regarding Nigeria. Guess what, guys? Just between yesterday and today, Nigeria as a country don't chop two breakfast. I said that again, between yesterday and today, Nigeria as a country don't chop two hot breakfast. Starting with the United States, the visa policy for non-immigrants and non-official trips to America that used to be 5 years has been reviewed downward to just 3 months. I say that again, the visa policy for non-immigrants and non-official trips to America that used to be 5 years has now been reduced to just 3 months. Recall that the policy which used to be 2 years was reviewed upward to 5 years in 2022, and now Trump is saying, Nigeria people, go and develop your country. Stop coming to my house. Stop coming to my country. Go and put your house in order. What is your problem? You want to visit on this policy. 3 months is enough. You can go back home. Go back home. I see that is not enough. Just today, another blockbuster development emanated from the United Arab Emirates, talking about UAE. And then they have slapped us with fresh, hot visa restrictions. I won't give you the details. You can go and look them up yourself. But what does that also tell you? All is not well. All is not well. Of course, all is not well. Why are we collecting, basketballs from America and then now to Dubai? What is exactly is going on? And then it brings you to the question that some of us have been asking for quite a long time now. What is stopping our leaders in Nigeria from putting our home in order? Some we say, or some like we know, about 10, 15 years ago, Dubai was one place that perhaps not so many people knew of. But today, Dubai is the darling of every Nigerian because the people there have put their house in order. And then you ask yourself, what is stopping us from putting our house in order? I wish Nigerian leaders can actually have change. All of these visa restrictions, development could have probably propelled them to, of course, reject the system and look inward and tell themselves that, oh, it is high time we put our house in order. But no, because you know why? For them, it is about looting and, of course, enriching themselves and their families. But I wish that all of these ill development from the international space can actually propel our leaders to put our home in order. Let's hear from you on what you think about these restrictions and how you think that our leaders, can rewrite the history or the name of this country so that we can be respected in the Committee of Nations. See you same time next week. Bye.